Hello moneymakers. Today I'm going to show you one of the most profitable faceless niches on YouTube right now. And you won't believe how fast these channels are growing. All these channels are 100% AI made, faceless, and they use simple AI avatars. And still, their results are crazy. Let me show you. There is a channel called Senior Food Blog. This channel is only a few months old, and they have already crossed 81,000 plus subscribers. Yes, more than 81,000 subscribers in around 2 to 3 months, just by posting simple senior nutrition videos. And the best part? They are not only earning from YouTube ads, they are also selling diet plans, senior meal guides, Amazon supplements, affiliate products, and health ebooks. So the money is coming from many places, not only YouTube. The next channel is Senior Health. They gained around 202,000 plus subscribers in just a few months. Same formula, AI avatar videos, plus simple health tips for seniors. They also promote vitamins, mobility products, and senior care supplements through affiliate links. Then we have Seniors Circle YT. They crossed 39,000 plus subscribers in a short time. They make calm, friendly AI avatar videos and also earn through ebooks, nutrition guides, posture tools, home exercise gear, and more. And finally, Smart Senior Nutrition. This one is smaller but growing very fast, around 35,000 plus subscribers in a few months. They earn by recommending healthy food products, kitchen tools, and senior supplements. All these channels are exploding so fast because the senior audience on YouTube is massive, and almost nobody is creating content for them in a focused way. Most creators run behind Mr. Beast-style content, faceless finance, or generic motivation. But hardly anyone is talking directly to people over 55, 60, 70 about their real problems: weak legs, muscle loss, sleep, joint pain, nutrition, energy. And here's the important part. Seniors don't just watch and scroll, they actually buy. They buy supplements, diet plans, ebooks, kitchen tools, joint support, sleep products, and they really trust the channels that help them. So these creators earn from YouTube ads, from affiliate links, from their own diet plans, from email lists, from Gumroad products, not just from one income source. And the craziest part, all of this is built with AI. These videos are made with AI scripts, AI voices, and simple avatar edits. No face on camera, no studio, no expensive equipment, just a laptop, a few tools, and the right system. In this video, I will show you the same step-by-step system these channels use, how to pick topics that seniors actually search for, how to write scripts fast using AI, how to design your avatar, how to add voiceover, and how to edit videos in a way that can grow your channel, even if you are a complete beginner and have never made a video before. So grab your coffee, relax, and watch till the end. And if you think my team and I work hard to bring you tutorials like this, please hit the like button and subscribe. It really motivates us to keep making more videos for you. Let's get started. Alright, so first things first, our first step is ideation. First, we need to find video topic ideas, and we shouldn't pick any random topics. We need topics that older people actually search for and feel connected to. Now the question is, how will you find such topics? So what you have to do is go on YouTube, open the search bar and type senior. As you can see, YouTube automatically suggests topics that people are already searching for. Then you can type senior avoid, and YouTube will start suggesting more topics. This way, you just need to type such keywords in the search, and YouTube will keep giving you suggestions. Then, when you click on any one topic, you will also find many channels that create this kind of content. On my screen, you can see many channels that follow this same pattern and are successful. So you can also pick topics from their channels and recreate them. However, the second method is, you can use ChatGPT for this. Now go to ChatGPT. Don't give any random topic. I have already studied all these channels, tested many prompts, and created one perfect, detailed prompt in which I added every small detail. You just need to use that prompt. You will find the link to this prompt doc in my free Skool Community. The link is in the description below. You can click and join. It is completely free. Alright, now copy the prompt and give it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate a table with 25 topics for you. It will give you video ideas, 2 title suggestions, thumbnail text, and even thumbnail concepts. So you don't need to search or think about anything. If you already have any trending topics or topics that people search for, you can give them to ChatGPT, and it will generate a similar table for that topic type. This is how your topic finding work is completed. Before we move on, I've got something special for audience. This month, I'm opening the doors for just 10 people to join my private coaching program, where I personally teach you everything I've learned about building and scaling profitable YouTube channels. It's a 10-week live coaching journey where we'll work together step by step, from finding your perfect niche, crafting videos that actually get views, mastering YouTube SEO, to building your content creation business that can start earning you real income. You'll get direct access to my frameworks, my tools, and the exact systems I've built over 10 years in this industry. Everything I wish I had when I started. You will also get a chance to connect with my script writers and video editors too, the same team who built AI Maskman from 0 to 60,000 subscribers. If you've been trying to grow, but you're stuck, overwhelmed, or tired of guessing what works, this is your chance to get personal guidance and finally make it happen. Book a free call with me using the link below, and if you qualify, you'll get a chance to work with me one-on-one inside this program. This isn't for everyone. It's only for serious action takers who are ready to invest time and effort into their success. Spots usually fill up fast, so if you've been waiting for the right time, this is it. The link's in the description. Let's see if you're a fit. Now let's get back to the video. Now from all of this, you just need to choose any one topic. Alright, now let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Writing scripts. This is also a very important step. You must write a script that gives real advice. Do not give any useless or wrong information that could harm people. Either you research the topic yourself, or you can use ChatGPT to help you. It will search everything and create a perfect script for you. So just to show you a demo, I will go with this topic. I have also prepared a perfect prompt for the script. Guys, as I always say, it takes a lot of time and effort to find niches, figure out everything, and create prompts. But many of you watch the video and leave without liking the video or subscribing to my channel. So I request you, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. It motivates me to make more videos like this. Alright, now you just have to add your topic inside this prompt, copy it, and give it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT won't give you the entire script in one go. It will divide it into 2 parts so the script becomes long and detailed. First, it will give part 1, then you have to give a command. Continue with part 2. And that's it. Our script writing part is also complete. However, for more accurate information, you can also search your topic on Google. You will find a lot of videos, articles, and other helpful resources. Alright, now let's move on to the next step. Generating the avatar. You can generate an avatar for the entire video, or generate avatars only for some parts and use voiceover for the rest. For this, I am using DupDub AI, where you get both features, avatar generation and realistic voiceover. For now, I will generate an avatar for my whole video. Alright, log into DupDub AI. You will get a 3-day free trial to use and test the tool. Now choose the AI avatar option from the dashboard. If you want an even more realistic avatar, you can clone your avatar by giving a 10-second video clip. But for now, let's go with the instant avatar. Here you can upload a photo if you already have a doctor avatar picture. Otherwise, in the motion avatar section, you will find many doctor avatar options. Go to the filters and search for healthcare. I will go with this one. Alright, now copy the script from ChatGPT and paste it here. I will change the name to Dr. Lisa since it is a female doctor. Now click on Voice and choose the voice that suits your avatar. Select the language, gender, and age from here. Also choose the voice quality from here. Listen to different voices and choose the one that sounds best. I will go with Bryony from the travel guide section. You can also upload your own voiceover file or record your own voice. And if you are not generating the avatar for the whole video, just remember the voice you selected and use it for the rest of the voiceover. Before generating the avatar, click on the voice button and listen to your script carefully to check whether the voice fits perfectly or not. Then click Generate Avatar. Within a few minutes, your avatar video will be ready. Click on Preview, watch the video, and download it.
Ever wondered why you keep feeling weaker and slower, even though you try to eat healthy? You stand up from a chair, and your knees tremble. You try to lift a grocery bag, and your arms say, "Not today." You look in the mirror and notice your legs are thinner, your clothes looser around your thighs. That's not just aging. That's something called sarcopenia, the silent loss of muscle that starts after 50 and speeds up every year after 60.
And that's it. Our avatar video is ready. Now let's move on to the next step, editing. We have all the material ready and now it's time to merge everything together. For editing, we will use two different tools. First, we will use Canva and then CapCut for the final touches. As you can see, these channels use the same editing format. There is an avatar in the middle, the title at the top, the channel name, logo, and subscribe button at the bottom. They change photos, videos, and elements in the middle according to the script and also add subtitles. So we will follow the same pattern. Let me show you how. First, go to Canva and choose the video icon from the dashboard. Now upload your avatar video here, then search gradient background in the elements section. Add the one you like. I will go with this one. Now go to the shape section, add a shape and stretch it like this so it looks like a border. Add this same border on the top and bottom, then change the color of the border so it matches your background. Now copy the video title from ChatGPT. Go to the text section, add a text box, choose your font, and paste your video topic. Place it inside the top border like this. Then add your channel logo at the bottom. I will add a random photo here since I haven't created a real channel logo. Next, from the text templates, choose one of the styles and write your channel name. Adjust it and place it like this. Once you set all this up, click here to preview and see how it looks in your video. Now go to Elements and search for the subscribe button. Add it here. Now add your avatar video in the center of the page. Remove the background by clicking here. This is how it looks. Next, go to Elements and search for graphics, photos, or videos according to your script. Add them one by one. You will get many options to choose from, so listen to your script and add everything in the correct places. You can also add animations. You can add stock footage on the side like this. It makes the video more engaging. So continue adding photos, graphics, and videos one by one. You can also round the video corners and add a white stroke around the video to make it look more professional. Like this. Look at it, it looks perfect, right? Once you are done adding all the material to the entire video, click on Share and download it. Now let's go to CapCut for adding auto subtitles. Open CapCut and import the video that you edited in Canva. Then go to Text and choose Auto Captions and generate subtitles. Now place the caption box on the right side of the video like this. From the templates, choose a style that suits your video. Do not choose anything too funky. Choose a simple one because people watch your video for information, not for fancy editing. And since your audience is older people, choose big and simple fonts so they can read easily. I will go with this one. Choose the color, size, and that's it. Your video is ready. Now click on Export and download it to your computer. So this is how you can create health niche videos in just a few steps. Now let's check out the demo video. But before that, let me tell you how you can actually turn these videos into consistent income. Now the question is, how do you turn these videos into consistent income? That's where monetization comes in. Most beginners only think about AdSense. Yes, you will earn from ads, but real creators don't depend on just one source. They stack multiple income streams. You can get sponsorships, you can promote affiliate products like supplements, and the best part, you can create digital products. For example, many faceless channels make simple PDF guides like better sleep tips or healthy gut routine. People love easy guides, and they buy them. And you can make the same thing. Just go to ChatGPT and type, "Create a 30-page beginner's guide to gut health with recipes and daily routines." ChatGPT will prepare the full draft for you. Then go to Canva, format the guide, export as PDF. After that, go to Gumroad, upload the PDF, set your price. Done. Now in every video, simply say, "Want my full gut health plan? Link in the description." Even if a small percentage of viewers buy, it becomes a nice extra income on top of ads. So your full monetization stack becomes AdSense plus affiliate products plus sponsorships plus digital PDFs. This is how faceless creators build stable income without showing their face. Alright guys, so this was the full step-by-step process. From finding topics, to writing scripts, to making avatars, to editing, and finally monetizing your channel. Now the only thing left is your action. If you just keep watching, nothing will change. But if you start today, Even with one simple video, you will see progress. So go and create your first health video, upload it, and keep improving. And yes, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. It really motivates me to make more videos like this. Alright, see you in the next one. Take care and keep creating.
Ever wondered why you keep feeling weaker and slower, even though you try to eat healthy? You stand up from a chair, and your knees tremble. You try to lift a grocery bag, and your arms say, "Not today." You look in the mirror and notice your legs are thinner, your clothes looser around your thighs. That's not just aging. That's something called sarcopenia, the silent loss of muscle that starts after 50 and speeds up every year after 60. Here's the scary truth. After 60, you can lose up to 1% of your muscle mass every single year. And if you do nothing, by your late 70s, that loss can reach 30% or more. That's why many people who once walked confidently suddenly struggle to climb stairs or balance on one leg. But here's the part most people don't realize. It's not just age. It's often what you eat for breakfast. Yes, the first meal of your day can quietly destroy your muscles, or it can help you rebuild them, even if you're 70, 80, or beyond. I'm Dr. Lisa, and after treating thousands of seniors with muscle weakness, leg pain, and early signs of sarcopenia, I can tell you, it's never too late. In today's video, I'll show you 5 common breakfast foods that quietly eat away at your muscles, and 5